Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of a brand new to me planner. It's called the Legend Planner, and I'm not too familiar with it. I had actually never heard of it, but I did have the opportunity to do an unboxing and share the planner here with both of you. Now, I got the planner in two different colors, and so I'm going to show you both of those. My mom has already claimed one, so that's going to be, I guess, her early Mother's Day gift. But I did want to go ahead and talk about these and kind of do just an up-close look, and I guess I don't know if it would technically be a review because I haven't, actually used it yet, but I thought it would be fun to do a first impressions video and talk about all the details and features of this planner. Now again, it's called the Legend Planner, and if you are interested in finding out more about this planner, you can check down in the description below because I will have a link, and you can purchase this on Amazon, and I'm not too sure what the price is, but like I said, everything will be listed and linked down below. So this is the weekly layout in an A5 size, and this is the royal blue with gold foil. Now when I saw the pictures of this online, I thought that it was very, very different and unique because I have seen quite a few planners of this size and of this, I guess, style, and not many of them have such beautiful covers. So as you can see, it comes wrapped in plastic, and then it comes in this beautiful cardboard box, which of course you can always repurpose and reuse. Ooh, this is gorgeous. This is actually a lot prettier than I thought it would be. So again, it's called the Legend Planner. It says create a legendary life. And oops, got stuff all over the place here. But as you can see, it comes with some stickers, and then it has an information card. Okay, so let's look at all of this up close. So this is nice here. It comes with a warranty. It says no hassle refund, no questions asked. So, that's always something good to feel confident about when you are making a purchase, that if it doesn't work for you, you're not stuck with it. Then it has this cute little sheet of stickers here. Wonderful, make it happen. Just little phrases that you can use in your planner, obviously. Then there's another sheet of stickers here in different colors, and it's got little functional phrases, also kind of, I guess, like reminder stickers. Then you also get a sheet of positive quotes. And icons, and I love the rainbow colors. And then again, more functional stickers here. So they do give you quite a bit to use, which I think is very, very nice. And then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of stickers. Very cool. And then you also get a information card that talks about how to use the planner, self-discovery and vision, dreams and life goals, vision board, 1-year goals, and then 3-month goals, strategy and daily rituals, monthly agenda, and then weekly agenda. Very cool. All right, so let's get into the actual planner. Now again, this one is the royal blue with gold foil. Now the foil almost looks rose gold to me, I'm not sure if it said rose gold now that I think back to when I ordered, but either way, it's still very, very pretty. And if I didn't mention it before, this is an A5 size. Okay. So I'm looking at the thickness. This is kind of a really thick planner, but not too thick, just a little bit thicker than some of the other ones that I have tried of this size. Again, it's called the Legend Planner, Create a Legendary Life. Achieve your goals, increase productivity, create happiness in your life. Undated 1-year weekly and monthly planner hardcover. And I'm going to take this off so we can look at this gorgeous cover. That is so pretty. Now this is obviously a faux, kind of a faux leather cover. It's very, very soft. And I love this blue. And then obviously it's got the elastic closure here and an elastic pen loop. So you have a information page. Then it goes right into the, I guess, awareness or self-discovery pages. That's what this is called here. And it has a series of questions for you to kind of get clear and get focused on what it is that you want to do and what kind of life you want to create. You also have here where it says My Vision. And the paper quality on this feels pretty good. It feels like a very smooth, crisp white paper. Now the other good thing I love about this planner is that it lays totally flat. That's always a big deal for me. This next page has my dreams, my most important life goals, and then it has different categories here: health and fitness, career, finance, romance, family, personal development, fun and recreation, and spiritual. Then it gives you a couple of pages for a vision board. Then you go right into the 1-year goals, and then it has the different life areas here, and then you have 3 little boxes here to write in your goals. Then you have 3 months goals, my tactics, so I'm guessing these are just like the action plans or the action steps that you're gonna take or that you're planning on doing. 3 months goals, same thing. So I guess you get a few pages of that, or at least enough to last you through the year. Then you have my strategy, my daily rituals. So you have a place to write out your morning routines, evening routines, gratitude, affirmations. This is a very well thought out planner that it actually gives you space for all of that stuff. Then you have the Undated monthly layout. I'm hoping this, okay, I was hoping it was focused. So you have a month on 2 pages. Again, it's undated. Reflect on your month, and then you have I forgot what these are called, like a life wheel. What are 3 most important lessons I have learned during the last month? And then you have a place for ideas and notes. And then you go right into the month on 2 pages. Okay, so you have a monthly section. And then you have 3 ribbons here, obviously, to mark off the different sections in the planner. Now, I have said this many times, and I'm sure you guys have heard it, is that I like when I have the month. I don't like the months all together and then the weeks all together. But that is just me. I know some people, like the layout like this where you have all your months and all your weeks, but I prefer to have a month and then the weeks, and then a month and then the weeks. But, that's something very minor. It's not like something I can't work with. So when you get into the weekly section, it has month and year here, and then it has Monday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then here you have this week's main goal, habit tracker, work to-do list, personal to-do list, this week's wins, how I'll improve next week. And then that goes right into the weeks. And then, okay, when you get to the very last week in the planner, it goes right into a dot grid notes section. So you just have some dot grid paper here, and you do get quite a few pages for that. And then in the back, you have a little pocket here where you can put your stickers, whatnot. And that is it. So this is a very functional planner. Like I said, for me, I don't know if I could use this every day because I would need a little bit more space, but for on the go, I think this would be perfect. Now, I also see how this could be useful as either a workout or fitness journal or tracker, at least for me. And it would also make a great food journal just because of the way it's laid out. You know, you have plenty of room during the weeks here to write down what your meals were, how many calories, what your macros are. And then if you wanted to, you can also track your workouts in that same section, or maybe even over here as well, depending on, you know, how many days a week you work out and what type of, you know, exercise things, you know, that you do. Very cool. All right, so let's take a look at the pink one. Now, I won't go through the whole entire thing, but I just wanted to show you guys what the cover looks like. So this is the pink with gold foil. Ooh, this one's pretty too. Oops, sorry guys. Now this one I'm going to give to my mom, so I'm not going to open it, but you can see it's got like a pretty hot pink color with gold foil. Wow, I really like the color. I like both of these. So, but they also had some other color options to choose from too. Like if you don't like the foil, you could get just a solid cover, you know, just one color. It didn't have any of the gold foiling. I guess it just depends on whatever your preference is. So there you go. That is a look at the Legend Planner. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and flip through. When I do decide to use this planner, I will definitely come back and show you exactly how I'm using it and exactly how I have it set up. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.